Hello everyone! Today we're tackling a common concern: belly fat. It's not just about fitting into our favorite jeans. Belly fat, especially visceral fat deep inside, is linked to serious health issues. Think heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even some cancers. But don't worry, we can fight back and win this battle. With a few lifestyle tweaks, you can trim your waistline and improve your overall health. Let's get started. You've heard it before. Abs are made in the kitchen. It's true. What you eat plays a huge role in losing belly fat. First things first, cut back on sugary drinks and processed foods. They're loaded with empty calories that contribute to belly fat storage. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods provide essential nutrients and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Don't forget healthy fats. Avocado, nuts, and olive oil can actually help you lose belly fat. Remember, it's all about balance. Make gradual changes to your diet and find what works best for you. Exercise is your secret weapon in the fight against belly fat. Not only does it help you shed those extra pounds, but it also improves your overall health and well-being. Regular physical activity can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, boost your mood, and increase your energy levels. And it doesn't have to be grueling. The key is to find activities that you enjoy and can stick with in the long run. When you enjoy what you're doing, it doesn't feel like a chore, and you're more likely to stay committed. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This can include a variety of activities that get your heart rate up and make you break a sweat. Consistency is more important than intensity, so find a pace that works for you. This could be brisk walking, which is a great way to start if you're new to exercise. Walking is low impact and easy on the joints, making it accessible for almost everyone. Swimming is another excellent option, especially if you have joint issues. The water provides resistance, which helps build strength, while also being gentle on your body. Dancing is also a fun way to get moving and can be done in a class or even in your living room. To specifically target belly fat, incorporate strength training exercises into your routine. Strength training helps build muscle mass, which in turn boosts your metabolism. A higher metabolism means you burn more calories even when you're not exercising. These exercises help build muscle, which boosts your metabolism and burns more calories even at rest. Muscle tissue burns more calories than fat tissue, so the more muscle you have, the more calories you'll burn throughout the day. Some effective strength training exercises include squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks. These exercises target multiple muscle groups and can be done with minimal equipment, making them perfect for home workouts. Remember to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. It's important to listen to your body and avoid overexertion. Consistency is key, so find a routine that you can maintain over time. Find activities you enjoy and make exercise a part of your daily routine. Whether it's hiking, cycling, or playing a sport, the most important thing is to stay active and have fun. By making exercise enjoyable, you'll be more likely to stick with it and achieve your fitness goals. Believe it or not, a good night's sleep is crucial for shedding belly fat. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can lead to increased belly fat storage. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a regular sleep schedule. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, and make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Prioritizing sleep is not only essential for weight loss, but also for your overall health and well-being. Section 5. Hydration Station. Water your way to weight loss. Drinking enough water is vital for overall health, including losing belly fat. Water helps boost your metabolism, suppress your appetite, and flush out toxins. Carry a water bottle with you throughout the day and aim to drink water regularly. You can also opt for other hydrating beverages like herbal tea or infused water. Often, we mistake thirst for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Staying hydrated can help prevent those false hunger pangs. Make water your go-to beverage, and you'll be amazed at the difference it can make. Section 6. Busting belly fat myths. Separating fact from fiction. There are countless myths surrounding belly fat loss. These myths can often lead people down the wrong path, causing frustration and disappointment when they don't see the results they expect. It's important to understand the truth behind these myths so you can make informed decisions about your health and fitness journey. Let's debunk some of the most common ones. By separating fact from fiction, we can pave the way for more effective and sustainable weight loss strategies. Myth 1. Crunches will give you a flat stomach. Many people believe that doing endless crunches will melt away belly fat, but this is far from the truth. Spot reduction is a myth. You can't target fat loss in specific areas of your body by working out those areas alone. Crunches strengthen your abdominal muscles, but don't directly burn belly fat. To lose belly fat, you need a combination of cardiovascular exercise, strength training, and a healthy diet. Myth 2. Starving yourself is the best way to lose weight. This dangerous misconception can lead to serious health issues. Depriving yourself leads to muscle loss and slows down your metabolism, making it harder to lose weight in the long run. Instead of starving, focus on eating nutrient-dense foods that fuel your body and keep you satisfied. Myth 3. You have to give up all your favorite foods to lose belly fat. Not true. Depriving yourself of the foods you love can lead to binge eating and an unhealthy relationship with food. You can still enjoy your favorite treats in moderation. The key is to balance indulgent foods with healthier options and to practice portion control. It's all about balance and portion control. A well-rounded diet that includes a variety of foods can help you achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Don't fall for these myths. Educate yourself and seek advice from credible sources. Stick to evidence-based strategies for sustainable weight loss. Remember, achieving your fitness goals is a journey, not a quick fix. Stay informed, stay motivated, and most importantly, stay healthy. Section 7. The power of consistency, small changes, big results. Remember, losing belly fat is a marathon, not a sprint. There's no quick fix or magic pill. Focus on making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle, and be patient with yourself. Results take time and effort. Instead of drastic diets or extreme workout regimens, aim for consistency. It's better to make small changes you can stick with over time. Celebrate your successes along the way, no matter how small they may seem. Every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step in the right direction. Remember, you've got this. Section 8. Listen to your body. The importance of bio-individuality. Every body is different. This concept, known as bio-individuality, recognizes that each person has unique nutritional and fitness needs. Our bodies respond differently to various foods, exercises, and lifestyle choices. What energizes one person might leave another feeling sluggish. What helps one individual build muscle might not work the same way for someone else. Understanding and embracing this uniqueness is key to achieving optimal health and wellness. What works for one person may not work for another. This is why it's important to avoid one-size-fits-all approaches to health and fitness. Instead, focus on discovering what works best for you. This might involve trying out different types of exercises, experimenting with various diets, and paying close attention to how your body responds. That's why it's crucial to listen to your body and find what feels best for you. Keeping a journal can be a helpful tool in this process. By tracking your meals, workouts, and how you feel each day, you can start to identify patterns and make informed decisions about your health. Meditation and mindfulness practices can also help you tune into your body's signals and understand what it needs. Pay attention to how different foods and exercises make you feel. Notice which meals give you sustained energy and which ones leave you feeling tired. Observe how your body reacts to different types of physical activity. Do you feel more relaxed after yoga or more invigorated after a run? These insights are invaluable in crafting a personalized health plan. Don't be afraid to experiment and adjust your approach as needed. Your body is constantly changing, and what works for you today might not be as effective tomorrow. Be flexible and open to trying new things. Whether it's a new workout routine, a different diet, or a new mindfulness practice, give yourself the freedom to explore and adapt. If you have any underlying health conditions, it's essential to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet or exercise routine. Professional guidance can help you navigate your unique health needs and ensure that your approach is safe and effective. Remember, you are your own best health advocate. No one knows your body better than you do. Trust your instincts and listen to what your body is telling you. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and be proud of the steps you are taking towards a healthier you. Trust your instincts and make choices that support your unique needs. Whether it's choosing a meal that nourishes you or an exercise that energizes you, your decisions should reflect what feels right for you. This journey is about finding balance and harmony in your life. Embrace your individuality and celebrate the journey to a healthier you. Each step you take is a testament to your commitment to your well-being. Enjoy the process, learn from your experiences, and continue to grow. Your unique path to health is something to be proud of. Section 9. Embrace the journey, celebrating your progress. Losing belly fat is not just about the number on the scale, it's about feeling your best, both physically and mentally. As you embark on this journey, remember to celebrate your progress and focus on the positive changes you're making. Enjoy the process of discovering new healthy recipes, finding joy in movement, and prioritizing your well-being. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself, stay committed, and watch as you achieve your goals. You've got this. I'm cheering you on every step of the way.